Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at a brand new box from Jake. So let me just turn my phone here. Okay, so this is our box. I sent him a 6-shipper a couple weeks ago or so, and so this is what he sent me back. So I'm gonna cut this open real quick. See what we got. So first pulling out, Just Friends. This is Arizona collaboration IPA. Pueblo Vita and Ren House. Awesome. This guy is canned on February 7th. Nice. 27 now, so 20 days old. I've never even heard of this. 6%. Awesome, maybe. Alright. Next can. Oh wow, this looks cool. Nebulous. Pueblo Vita. Galaxy and Mosaic hops. This one was canned on February 1st. Awesome. So Pueblo Vita is out of Tucson. Nice. I haven't had anything from them. I didn't even realize Jake had this stuff. It might have been some of the secret stuff you're talking about. There it goes. This is Ren House's Colony Collapse. This one is their collaboration with Superstition. And yeah, this one was on January 31st. Awesome. Heard good things about this guy, so very excited to try that. Yeah. Pretty good lineup so far. Pack this box full. What else we got? Oh, nice. Okay, so here we've got more Ren House Valley beer. I say more because it sent me some last time. This is a fantastic lager. So, really good stuff. Alright, see what else we got. Ooh, Tombstone. Hops Are My Co-Pilot. 10th Anniversary IPA. Nice. I'm not sure when this one doesn't have a date on the bottom, so I'll have to look at it, but I heard about this one as well. Pretty awesome. Look at that. What else we got? He did. Oh, nice. So we have Tombstone's Spawn of Earth. This is their double IPA, comes at 8.3%. Haven't had anything from Tombstone yet, so pretty exciting. And we have more cans. Alright, nice. We got another Colony collabs. That's awesome. And they packed this guy pretty well. Nice. And another Valley beer. Always awesome. Alright, ooh, what is this? Entropy? This looks awesome. Another Pueblo Vita Pale Ale at 5.8%. It's got Amarillo, Galaxy, and Simcoe. It's canned on January 25th. Nice. Oh man, this is a pretty crazy box. Alright. Oh man, we got another one. Ooh. This is Hyperspace. This is another Pueblo Vita. This is their Imperial Stout with coffee, 8.5%. Nice. That is awesome. Well, I'm super excited to try those. And we have a Crowler from Ren House. This is Little Matryoshka. 38 ABV is, ooh, this is February 21st. This is incredibly fresh. I actually don't know what this one is, but he said it was very, very, very good. So, very excited for that. And that would be the box. So, bunch of awesome stuff. Bunch of really nice looking cans. Very excited to dig into this stuff. Brand new for me is Pueblo Vita and Tombstone. So, thank you very much, Jake. And yeah, look forward to seeing some reviews on this stuff. As always, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.